Is my Jinxie Pie and my Sandy Cakes taking a little nap together? You are so cute. I knew you would get along once in a while. How you two doing? Yeah, tired? I hear you. Boots isn't even gonna look. He's so tired. He's dreaming right now. Sandy Cakes and Jinx are sitting together. Why don't you want to sit with them? Little kitty babies. Oh, did you wake up? Well, that's a good yawn. Good old Bootsy. Good old Gigi. Bootsy. Gigi. Bootsy. Gigi. Bootsy. Sleepy.